I just need any video that flows. Let me just use this. Let me just use this as an example, right? And then this will forever be your background. Does that make sense? And then this background will keep looping. It will keep looping. So you can have a video background, you can have whatever background. This, feel free, go crazy, do whatever you want. And then you can also have like a normal image background. So let's see, maybe if I can get an image background, simple blue, something like maybe this or that. Okay, let's just try this. Let's just try this and see. Yeah, this like the background. And then when you put a background there, some backgrounds have bright colors that will prevent people from seeing the actual text. So you can engage the darkness overlay, okay, to dim it a bit so that people will see the actual text. So let's just change the text back to white, just so that it will be obvious. And let's change this one back to white also, so that it will also be obvious. So I'm showing you that everything is possible with this. Now I've done, I can just save this, and then activate it. When I go back to my detected, this one's here, this way it's going to be, this one is going to come here, etc, etc. But let me position the logo well. Display, let me position the logo. The logo should be at the top left, and then I'll just save this and then activate it. So when I go back to my this one, I see that the logo is at the top left. I can expand it, I can do whatever I want with it, etc, etc. But basically, this is what you can do with this. Like, you can go crazy with this particular thing. Okay, well, somebody will say we didn't try picture, we've tried video motions and stuff. Let's try the picture. Let's try a normal picture and see. So this is a normal picture, like this. This is a normal picture. This is a blue picture. Let's say like we just clear this one from there and then just save this one. We go back, it's the same thing. Like it's, yeah, that's really changed. And then let me reset this context. And then yeah, this is what we want. Okay, this is what we want. So this is what's happening. How you can change your background, how you can do whatever you want. So that's what this setting is for, and each feature here is for. Okay.